I'm one of the recording arts and show production instructors for Chillen Media Institute. And I want to take this time out to let you in on why I think this course is perfect for you. The first aspect is that we give you a hands-on experience, meaning you get to learn more practice and less theory. Every student get a chance to mess with equipment, and you get to work in the projects of real musicians. I'm talking musicians who are currently active, who are actively releasing music. Imagine that. And that is not all. Our course is very collaborative, meaning you get a chance to connect with like-minded individuals, like your classmates or other producers. They get to share their experience with you and you get to learn a lot from that. Third aspect is that you get to connect with our instructors. The people that will be instructing you on various domains are skilled and experienced business people, meaning you get a chance to connect with them and learn from their failures and their successes. And I know such an experience will be very, very essential after graduation. Another aspect is that you spend less time in the classroom, meaning you spend more time practicing. And we all know practice makes perfect, right? So you get enough time to work on a lot of music, such that before the end of the course, you're already a professional, ready to take over the world. And this course will not be complete without us teaching you or giving you an idea of how the music business functions and helping you to better understand the music industry. Because after graduation, you will need to set up your own business. So I hope to see you. I hope that you sign up, and I'm anxiously waiting to meet you.